Good day to all of you. So I'm Blanca Flor Arada. I'm back again for another video. So I'm going to discuss all about AR technology or augmented reality technology. But before I delve with AR and its applications, I will differentiate. We have this virtual reality, the VR, and of course AR, augmented reality. So VR actually it's an earlier technology than AR. So it means if we're going to have a VR or virtual reality, you are immersed in an environment which is not existing in reality. So that is why it's called virtual reality. So I'm explaining it in a layman's term in the way I understand things. And then while augmented reality or AR, so that's why it's called augmented. Augment means add, so it means you're going to add virtual elements into our own reality. Okay, so that's the difference between VR and AR. So what are the usual applications of AR technology? I know you are already familiar with the game Pokemon Go, which really uses AR technology. But before that, AR is already used. So there is one device that I have that uses AR technology long before Pokemon Go. So we have this, okay? So we have this Nintendo 3DS. Actually, Nintendo 3DS, this has an application with AR. Actually, I bought it last 2016, so it will be almost 6 years. It's my personal gift for myself when I graduated master's. I'm so sad no one is giving me gifts. Well, anyway, it's not. It's just a joke. So this Nintendo DS actually it came with a package. Actually, I bought it as a bundle. Okay. Included here in the bundle is we have okay, I'm going to open it. Okay. So included in here, of course, are the manuals, and then okay, I have this so-called AR cards. Okay, so I have AR cards. Okay, we have this. We have for the later what's the use of this AR card with a question mark, and then we have Kirby, and then of course Super Mario, and then we have Link of Zelda, and then of course I'm not really familiar with this character because I'm an old school gamer, and then I'm not also familiar with this one, only with Mario, with Link. Okay, so we have one special AR card and 5 character AR cards. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how this works by using our Nintendo 3DS. Okay, let's check it out. I have now my Nintendo 3DS, so let's turn it on. Okay, wait for it to boot up. So I have this. So let's turn the volume up. Okay, so okay, we are already here at the AR games in which we can use, or we're going to use the AR cards that we have in the bundle. So just click A to start. So the directions is, so we have 6 AR cards above are included with the system as I've shown earlier. And then there's a direction we need to press the A button. Okay, next is we need to get the AR card with the question mark. So this is the AR card with the question mark. Okay, so let's put it. So we already have. Then press button A. Okay, and then place on a flat surface. Okay, we're going to place it on a flat surface. So maybe this is already enough. And then Play in a well-lit area. AR cards are difficult to read in the dark. Okay, yes, of course, because they are detecting the actual picture. Okay, when using an AR card, try to keep a distance of about 14 inches away from the card. Okay, let's make this a little farther. Okay, okay, let's get back. Okay, next. You can move around the card for a different view, and of course, very good for safety information. Watch our step. Okay, so we already have the AR card. Okay, that we already have seen the card. Okay, stay about 14 away. Okay, so I'm already 14 away. 14 inches away. So what will happen? So, press A to shoot. Okay, I'm already playing an AR game. Okay, I'm going to select. Am I going to select archery? Or I okay, or on any other? Okay. Okay, maybe I can select archery. Okay. I'm already playing a game. Okay. Okay. I need to wait. Okay. Okay. It's very difficult with the camera here. Okay. It's cleared. Okay. I aimed it here. Hold, maybe there's a monster? Oh, my table is already so much for the AR technology. Oh, we have a monster here. And then where's the other? Oh, I have to defeat this one. Just press the A button. Oh! Oh, sorry. Oh! Oh, it's very difficult. Have I defeated the dragon? Ooh, I've defeated the dragon. Okay. Okay. Oh, we have fishing. We have graffiti. Then we also have star picks and me picks. AR shot. But to use the other um cards, I need to pick this. Okay. Okay, we have this AR card. So it is said here, you can use character AR cards here too. Let's try putting a character AR card down. Make sure other cards don't overlap. Change poses and try new places when taking photos. So we have this one. Okay, let's try, of course, the very popular Mario. Okay. Okay, so we have Mario here. Okay. Okay, you can select here. What is it going to do? It can do different poses. Yes. You can also fly and you can also move it. Okay. Yes. Okay, you can also include the box if you want to. Okay, you can also try the box. You can also move. So, face the camera. Actually, there is here the face the camera. So that it is facing the camera. Okay, so that is the uses of AR in Nintendo 3DS. So as you can see. So, um, this is the, of course, for the AR of Nintendo 3DS. So, I don't know if there are any updates or any other new technology or games with regards to Nintendo. Of course, this device is already a 6-year-old. They already have another device which is Nintendo Switch, or maybe there are other new devices. So, okay, I've already demonstrated how does this AR technology is used in game consoles such as Nintendo 3DS. So, I'll turn this off now. Okay. Okay. So, that's all for the AR games which uses AR technology. Okay, aside from the AR cards from the Nintendo DS, what are the other AR applications? Actually, we have AR to be used in K-pop merch. I know you are familiar with that. So I have some of the K-pop merch that I have. I'm a Cravity fan, so I acquired or bought it's Season's Greetings 2021, which has an AR. So we have this one. So okay, this has an AR, and then this one also. This is actually has an AR. Okay, so I'm going also to demonstrate how this works. So again, let's check it out how it works. Okay, as I've said earlier that AR is not only used in game consoles or in games, but they are also used in advertisements or in marketing, and also in your own K-pop merch. It depends upon the the group, or they have these products that has AR technology on it. So I will demonstrate to you. As I've said, I'm a fan of Gravity, and I bought the 2021 Season's Greetings, and then the merch that is included in there have an AR. So I am going to demonstrate you. So one picture of here. So how do you know that this can be used in AR? So we have this one like code that AR. So it can enable an AR. So let's put it in here, and then let's open the app. Okay, I'm a Minhi stan, so that's why it's the wallpaper. And then okay, click the application in here. So we have this. So we have the app Moing. So Moing, actually, this is an application that is requested to be downloaded when you bought the Season's Greetings. And of course, it requires a code as a proof that you really bought the merch. So let's open the app. Okay. So wait for it to load. Then after that, okay, then we're going to press this one for you to detect the picture. So let's see. Okay. So, this device, okay, it recognizes the picture and it plays, of course, the recorded video and also the sound. So, in the earlier technology of AR, it's only limited to um, pitch. For example, for the Nintendo 3DS, the character is popping out, but actually there is already a sound. But then, for K-pop merch, they really have included recorded sounds and of course the video itself. So okay, we have another picture of them. So again, we have this AR here. Okay, AR. This one, AR. So another demonstration. Okay, let's see. I'm sorry. Okay.
2021년도 저희 크래비티와 좋은 추억 많이 만들어요. 우후.
Okay. Okay, so it also has an AR, and then another of their product, of course, as I've said, my favorite or the ultimate bias I have is Minhi, so that's why I have Minhi here. So let's see. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay. Hi. So adorable, so cute. Okay. So we have this one. Okay. So that's the demonstration for a K-pop merch with AR technology. So I hope that you learn something, and then of course the question now is, where is the AR technology? Is it on the paper or is it in the app? So of course it's not yet finished, so let's continue watching the video to learn more. The question now is, how does AR work? Does the technology is on this paper? So let's see. But it really looks like just a cardboard, a printed cardboard with a picture. So does this really rely on the paper or does it rely on the application? So I have this secret. Actually, AR technology relies on the application. For example, for Nintendo 3DS, we have the AR games, while on this particular K-pop merch, they partnered with, of course, as you can see, as you have seen, we have Moing. So, actually, it is in the application. How does this work? For example, you have this picture and then the camera, by using the camera of the device, those application has already a database of the picture. If they detected that picture is similar with their database, it will going to somewhat send the data or play. For example, send the picture or send the multimedia for it to play whenever it detects it has the same picture in the database. That's how it works. So the question now is, if that's the case, does AR technology work even, for example, if you print a for example, if you print this on a on a plain paper, does the AR work? The question, that it's not rather the question, the answer is actually it works. So I'm going to demonstrate you that even you don't have the original paper or the original merch, you can still enjoy or you use the AR technology. So let's check it out. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate you. Does really the AR technology depend on the application and not the paper itself where you printed it? Is there any special paper that you need to print in order for AR technology work? So I'm going to demonstrate to you a picture. We have the original picture. So we have here, I'm really very sorry. I'm a mini stand, so I have this one. Okay, this is his picture when he was in his previous group. And then of course, this is also an AR technology. Then I'm going to open the Moing application. So let's see. Okay, the AR works because of course I also downloaded the AR package for this picture. So it doesn't have a sound unfortunately, but it's really working. So that's the content of this picture, the AR for this picture. So okay, then what I'm going to demonstrate now is it possible that this AR works even though the original picture in which of course it is printed, that's the original picture. Is it possible, for example, even in the monitor, just we have the image. So let's search for that particular image. Okay, so I open up the browser and then I just type, okay, his name is Minhee, and then his previous group, X1, and then AR, card. Okay, so we have another AR card. Actually, I also have that AR card, but well, and then anyway, so let's click this one. And then let's enlarge it if we want to. Oh, that's the largest. Hover to zoom. Okay, so we have this one. So let's also use the app, the Moing app. Okay, so you can see it is also working. Even you did not actually print the picture, as long as it detects the picture, the AR, the data that the application has will send it through the camera and it will play. So as you can see, it is working. So maybe, yeah, even though you don't print it on the original paper or you only see it in the monitor, it will still work. But then again, so that's a secret. But as I've said, if you really want to support your group or your K-pop group or your artist, as much as possible is buy their merch, again subject to availability of funds. So, as you can already see that it really works. Even you printed the picture on the plain paper, or you use the app in the monitor. As long as it detects the picture, it will work. But as I've said, if you really want to support your artist, if you really love your K-pop artist, why not support them by buying their merch? Of course, it's subject to the availability of your funds. So I hope that this helps with regards to what is AR technology and applications. So of course, AR technology is not only limited to these games. It is also applicable for example, if you bought a house and then you want to decorate it, there is also an app in which you can display, or you can what furnitures that you can put inside your house. And also there is also an application in which, for example, if you're going to buy a dress by using AR technology, you can try it on the dress without even physically trying on the dress. And of course, as technology will improve, of course, AR technology will also grow and it will be better in the future. So I hope that you learned something for AR technology. So again, don't forget to please like and subscribe to my channel. So goodbye, God bless, and stay safe.